Kim, this place is something scary. Look at this one. This is my grandmother's collection.
Really? It's nice.
Yes. Let's go to my grandma's room.
Okay. God, this is so scary.
Girl, don't be scared.
My God. I'm going to check something.
Okay, girl. Oh my god, this is my grandmother's sewing kit. It's very vintage. Oh, there's a mirror. Let me check my beautiful face. Kim! Kim? Kim?
What's wrong?
Oh, Father Mommy, this is not normal anymore.
Why?
I felt strange. I felt something scary.
Okay, just wait. Hello, Jeannie.
Hello?
We need you and Father Mali's help. Kailangan yung pumunta bukas kasi may naramdaman kaming hindi maganda dito sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. Okay, sige.
Okay, I will tell my uncle. Uncle, there's an emergency.
What?
My friend called me for help.
What kind of help?
There's an unknown spirit living in a friend's house. We need to help her.
Okay, prepare all the things that we need tomorrow. Jenny, are you ready? We have to go.
Yes, uncle, let's go. Good morning, sir.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
Is Miss Kim here?
Yes, ma'am.
Sis, you know what? I think this house is very beautiful if na-preserve na siya, di ba?
Yeah, I think so.
Miss Kim, they are here.
Oh, I think Father Mal is here.
Yeah.
Come. OMG, Father. We're very thankful that you came here. There's a ghost living in our grandmother's house.
We will help you no matter what happens.
Okay, Father, let's go.
Father, this part is very strange. The wind is so cold.
Please, help us.
Okay, we will try our best.
Okay, let's start. Pambihirang buhay ito. Maliit pa yung swing notes. Yung amo namin, napakasungit. Gusto ko na magpahinga. Umalis kayo sa pamamahay na ito.
Father, doon tayo sa kwarto ko.
Saan ba yung kwarto mo?
Nandito sa taas. Father, mauna ka. Where's Kim?
I don't know where she is. Nasaan na ba sila? Nandito na siya. Nasaan na siya? Bakit wala? What?
Sana bang daan dito? Gusto ko lang umuwi. OMG! Nandiyan na siya! Takbo! Ate Jenny, ate ka na dito!
Alis ka na! Alis ka na!
Sabag tayo alis dito!
Ligtas mo sarili mo! Alis ka na!
Kim? 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 Kim! No! Kim! Kim! Please don't leave me. Kim!
What's wrong? What's wrong?
This is not for...
Yun ko naman kuha ni Dili para
Right now, please! Ay! 1, 2, 3, go!
Amo po na, grabe po na ng pagka... Kuan na. Ay, pisun. Ayaw pagkatawa.
Igna ka na ito!
Pan ba?
Ikaw ma-express basta kuan. Amo ang... Go.
OMG, fathers, we're very thankful. Fathers.
Uy, ayaw, matumban ako. Pagkaro mo,
Tabi. Bisa nabilin. Nabilin, day.
Uyura, Gwas Romel!
Ay, bukan bulldog!